I want to show you what the breakout boxes look like. This is a box. The kit comes with a box and all of these different locks, and also a small box and a black light. What happens is you can go to breakoutedu.com. There are a bunch of breakouts that are already created. I'm doing one on scientific notation today because it's the end of our unit. So the students are going to get a poem. This is the first part of the breakout. And on the poem, they have to read it. The whole breakout is that this magician is taking away numbers, and they have to prove why numbers are important and save the world. So we have numbers. They read the poem. They have to find the sum of all of the numbers in the poem. So they add it up. They get 127, and they have a cheat sheet that kind of tells them how to get started. If they open up the first lock, which is 127, and open it up, they get this black light. If they take the black light and they put it over the poem, let's see if you can see this. It's kind of hard to see, but it highlights the word meter stick. So they have to find the meter stick in my room, which is back where my meter sticks are, and the students know that. When they find the meter stick, it has a key attached to it. So that opens one of the locks. The other clues that they get is they get a packet of clues. Another clue that they get is going to be these pink sheets, which unlocks one of the locks. They have to find out which number's in perfect scientific notation. When they do that, they then have to go into, you can see here, find the first letter of each picture that's in perfect scientific notation. It spells the word world. When they unscramble it, that's the word lock on the box that they unlock. They get two other clues. They get purple clues and they get blue clues. The blue clues, they have to figure out which one is correct, which sign, less than or greater than sign, is correct. Once they do, one of the blue signs says look in Google Classroom. It tells them what order those go in for the directional lock. So that's this lock here, and they use the greater than or less than sign. They use the arrows to figure out that lock. And the last one, last clue for this one, they have to complete all of these different math problems. So they're dividing here in scientific notation. There's 8 purple cards. Once they get their answer, there's one purple card, this one. It tells them something about the coefficients, sum, so they have to add up all their coefficients, and that unlocks the 4-digit lock. So there's lots of different breakouts and lots of different ways you can play. It's fun, it's a competition, they had a great time. The magician has grown weary of people that complain about really big and really small numbers. Max is going to cast a spell on the world that will remove all numbers from existence. Wait, we need numbers. Quick, today you're going to prove to Max that you need numbers by opening up the locks around the room. So you see there's 2. We're going to have 3 teams. One team will be working on unlocking this box here. Okay, we'll have 2 teams working over here. They're going to be in the end opening this box over here.
Useless team. I think that's what they're trying to put out there. I mean, the kind of brilliant.
Find the sum of the numbers in the riddle.
Remember the riddle? The riddle.
Numbers only in the riddle. What riddle?
This is pink. No. What numbers are perfect scientific notation? What needs to take place in order for it to be in perfect scientific notation?
Well, you made
the number in the front needs to be between what 2 numbers? Or
1
greater than
0. 1 and 10.
Greater than 1 and less than 10. Yeah. So let's look at this first one. Is this a perfect scientific notation?
No.
No. How about this one?
Yes.
Okay.
So the
What's
dog.
D.
Very
We
good.
got it.
We got this. Okay. I don't know.
I sure did.
No, we're not. That's not the one.
No, he does.
Oh, D.
Nope, not
No,
this one.
no.
Is,
Oh, yeah, no.
yes, this one
Yes,
is
yes.
Giraffe.
Giraffe, G.
G.
Oh, G. I don't know.
Okay, heart, no.
White?
20 minutes. Are you gonna use one? Yeah.
Should I?
Yes.
No one else knows what we're doing.
Okay. So here's your hint.
Make
You
it
guys.
a
Okay. You guys have that other blue card. You're gonna need that. What does it say?
We already went there.
Okay. So
This
you're
is the
you're
order.
looking at these here. You're using this for blue. Your directional map. So you need to figure out first which one is true. So if I'm looking at this one here, which one is true?
Blue.
Which one specifically?
This one.
Is 1.4 times 10 to the negative fourth less than 7.8 times 10 to the negative fifth?
Yes. No. So this one's true.
So is 2.3 times 10 to the 12th greater than 5.96 times 10 to the ninth?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because that's greater. There's only one point here, and there's two over here, but then there's less here.
Yeah, because here you're moving the decimal how many times?
12.
So you're multiplying it by 10 12 times. Here you're multiplying it by 10 how many times?
9.
So which number is going to be greater?
12.
Okay, so this is greater. So you know that this, instead of the greater sign on the lac, it's going to be an arrow. So a greater than sign is going to be the arrow pointing to the right. So what other teams did is they circled it. So then they go into Google Classroom. Who has it up?
Me. I got it.
Okay. What guy? It's going to tell you what order your arrows go.
inside of Anthony's
Okay. So if it helps you, circle what's correct, and then look in your Google Classroom key, which you guys already have up.
Smart.
This one.
So you guys went to Google Classroom
Yeah.
Then this one.
and you're putting them in order.
This one. This one.
Okay, guys.
That's the order.
We need to solve them.
These keys are fidget toys. Well, yeah, but that's the order in which they go.
Go grab a Sharpie.
now
Here,
part of
solve it.
Go grab an expo mark.
That's the last one.
Oh my goodness.
Now we solve them? Yeah.
Putting this in front of me like you want me to solve this.
Alright, what do you guys want?
There's not all the letters.
Try this.
Try the other one.
I think this could be solved. Or wait, no. Because you have to solve it.
Okay, W, right here.
Okay, great.
To line it up with that. No, go back behind.
To line it up with that. Okay, cool. O, wait. Yeah, O.
Yeah.
R. L. Just spell world.
Well, that's less than. The first one has to be less than.
World.
Because there's a little kid right there. Okay, now try to open it. Are you done?
Which way do I open it?
You
Yay.
get it?
Yeah. We got it, guys. Yay.
Now we need to get more. Okay, wait, I want to try one.
Oh, we still need one.
Can we just break this?
Squeeze in. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys.
What a hack.